Welcome to the Brooklyn Brothers. Today we're going to show you how to make stuffed calamari. And these calamaris are stuffed with crab and breadcrumb. Anyway, this is a great Christmas Eve dish for one of your 7 fishes if you're Italian or not. Anyway, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And we're going to go ahead and show you some more great seafood dishes before Christmas Eve comes. Anyway, let's get cooking.
All right, man, let's eat. All right, we're going to get started on our stuffing so we can stuff these beautiful calamari tubes.
Oh, those are beautiful.
They're really nice.
Yeah.
We got these from Central Market. Fresh.
Nice.
No smell. Beautiful. All right. All right, we're going to chop up a little celery here. I'm going to chop it up pretty fine because it's got to go in the stuffing, you know. All right. Of course, it's going to be with fresh crab meat.
Nice.
And we have salt and pepper, cheese, garlic, onions, celery, parsley. And we're going to fry that in a little butter and then add a few eggs to it, to the stuffing, so it holds together when it's cooking in the marinara sauce.
Beautiful.
All right. All right, we get some. I'm going to dice up a little bit of onion here. I'm not going to use too much. Also, too, you want to chop it up pretty small. Dice it up small.
Yeah. Wow, it looks great. I mean, all these fresh ingredients. Nice.
All right. Smells good already. Just hit the pan with the butter.
It's fresh ingredients, man. You know, there's nothing like it.
Oh man, the smell of butter and onions and celery.
Smells good, huh, Ma? When was the last time you had stuffed calamari, Mom?
Oh my God,
Years, huh?
All right, I'm gonna put my crab meat in there. Put parsley in there. Salt and pepper. To taste. Salt and pepper to taste.
Definitely. More butter.
All right, we're going to turn that off and put this on the side here. Now we're going to mix our breadcrumbs.
All right.
Some plain breadcrumbs, which I'm going to season.
How much is that? About a cup?
Yeah, maybe a little more. All right, we're going to add some Parmesan cheese to that. Some parsley. A little granulated garlic. A little pepper.
Good.
And that's it. Okay,
Nice,
we're gonna let our crab meat cool down a little bit for about 10 or 15 minutes because you don't want to put the eggs in there while it's hot. It'll cook the eggs. So
That makes sense.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
We'll be back when that cools off.
We cooled off our crab meat and onions and celery and garlic and all that. And now we're going to add it to the breadcrumb.
Yeah, that's the magic right there. Now you can make stuffed calamari without the crab, but I definitely recommend the crab. Gives it a whole new dimension.
A couple of eggs in there. You right, I'll put three in there.
Nice. Now the eggs are gonna bind the breadcrumbs, so this way it doesn't bleed out of the calamari.
If it's too dry still, you can always melt a little butter and put it in there.
How about some olive oil?
No.
Butter? All right. Perfect.
But I think it might be wet enough. Yeah, this is good enough.
All right.
All right, we're going to go ahead and stuff our calamari.
Now you want to be sure you leave about a ½ inch from the top because the breading or the stuffing is going to swell up while you're cooking it. You don't want the tubes to burst. Perfect. Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
that's good right there.
Nice. All right, last one.
Two more.
Oh, two more. Mom, you want to stuff one?
You want what?
You want to stuff a calamari?
No, not much.
Okay. Beautiful.
These are nice and thick.
Yeah.
Not thin, you know. Some of them
I don't like the thin right now.
Nah, you can't.
Thin tubes.
You know what? We can make a couple of crab cakes out of these.
Oh, I bet, yeah.
We'll do that now.
Okay. Yeah.
With the rest of the stuffing, yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful. All right.
All right.
Perfect. All done. All right. We're going to go ahead and seal the ends of the calamari here. Just going to place 2 toothpicks just to the top. Real simple. And
that's it?
you want to be sure that you remove these toothpicks after it's done.
No, I'll eat mine.
Real simple. 1 and 2. All right, this is the last one. We're ready to go. Now, Chef Dom is going to go ahead and make the marinara sauce to cook these in. All right, Chef Dom's getting ready to make the marinara sauce for the calamari.
What I'm going to do is I'm just going to smash these up. I'm not even going to cut them, just smash them up really good. Watched my grandmother do this for a few dishes. All right, we're going to start off with some olive oil, virgin olive oil. Garlic in there.
All right. Let that fry up. Right.
All right, I'm going to add some basil leaves here, some fresh basil.
Hand-picked from my wife's garden. Fresh Bosnia gold.
Good. I'm gonna throw our basil in there. Let it back up. This is gonna pop up at you.
You weren't kidding, were you?
Huh?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and tomatoes in there. We don't want to brown the garlic too much.
These were pureed whole pear tomatoes. Italian whole pear tomatoes.
Add a little salt and pepper to here.
Oh yeah. Smells great already. All right, that's it for the marinara sauce. Now we're gonna let this cook for about 30 minutes before we place the calamari into this pot here.
Let me wash this out.
All right, we'll let this cook for about 30 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and put that, like I said earlier, the calamari back in that pot there.
All right, we have a little bit of stuffing left over from the crab meat stuffing. We're gonna make a few little mini crab cakes.
That sounds good.
Let's put a little olive oil in there. Normally I use clarified butter, but we don't have any. Just dredge it in flour.
This is the bonus recipe for the video.
Normally I put also other things in here like Dijon mustard and there you go. That easy.
Yeah. How's that sauce coming along? Oh, beautiful.
About another 20 minutes.
See, Mom, we got some crab cakes going.
Good.
Oh, is that, oh,
Beautiful
look at that.
brown.
Oh, yeah. Very nice. Oh, beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Looking good. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Here you go, Mother.
Let's see.
Oh, yeah. Be careful, it's hot.
Yes, I know.
How is it?
Very good.
Very good?
Could use a little more salt.
Needs a little more salt? Okay. Thanks, Mother.
You and your salt.
We're gonna go ahead and Mama's gonna put the calamari in the sauce.
Oh yeah.
Ah, beautiful. Oh, it's nice.
Very nice. Now you want to let this cook for about 30 more minutes.
In the
Yeah.
sauce.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Good job, Mom. Couldn't have done it without you.
You're hired. Oh, look at that. Stuffed calamari.
All right, we're gonna put a lid on that for a little bit
Yeah, put a lid on it.
and let that cool. What are you,
that
comedian? Huh? Did you get that in the video?
Yeah. Oh, all right. We'll let this cook for about 30 minutes and we'll be good to go. Dig in, Mother, dig in. All right, we're going to check out this calamari here. Stuffed calamari.
Need more sauce. You know what? This is better this way.
It's grandmother's sucker.
Grab one of these.
Yeah, you don't
It needs
need
more.
a knife.
Mom, you gotta put some more sauce on.
I know.
Very good. Wow. Stuffed calamari. Great for your 7 fishes dish on Christmas Eve. How was it, Mom?
That was very good.
Taste the crab in there.
Can
Taste what?
The crab. Very good. Well, hey, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you guys next time. Say goodbye.
Bye.
She's busy eating.
Bye.